You know it's going to be a stupid video when the title pretty much gives it away, and the fact I'm wearing a stupid goat shirt. But this will be another story for another time. But why is this a stupid video? Because it involves coffee. And not just any coffee. Mr. Coffee brand coffee. That's right. I didn't expect to see it, but apparently it must be one of those gourmet things. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it using my 30-year-old Spacemaker and think of it as a quick food review and all that stuff. So, let's do this. I mean, yeah. Mr. Coffee. Paid $4 for it. At Ollie's, which, if you're not familiar with Ollie's, it's kind of like a Big Lots, but it's much nicer than Big Lots. But yeah. And I wasn't aware of it until now that I grabbed the decaf, not the regular. But I deal with it. 12-ounce bag. Excuse the lighting. The lighting here sucks, but... And, turns out, Jordan, the one who pretty much bought Lakewood and all that stuff, owns the Mr. Coffee name. No, 2012 Sunbeam Products and doing business as Jordan Consumer Solutions, all rights reserved. Mr. Coffee and Mr. Coffee logo are registered trademarks of Sunbeam Products used under license distributed by Laval Foods of Baltimore, Maryland. Baltimore. Still have yet to go to Big Bill Hell's Cars. But yeah. Let's make this crap. And even more blasphemy, I'm going to keep it in this empty Folgers can. I'm probably going to need 2 hands for this, so yeah. There's still a little bit in here, but I'm sure I'll be able to fill up the basket in the coffee machine, but yeah. Mr. Coffee in a Folgers can. Blasphemy! And even more blasphemous, using that 30-year-old Spacemaker. Unadulterated! In fact, I'm probably going to get letters for this. I'm sure I can hear people crying about, oh my god, you have to use Mr. Coffee with a Mr. Coffee machine! That's not right! It's like, shut up, okay? People are so sissified nowadays. Ugh. Anyways, let's make this crap. Okay, I really need to fix that light because it's too bright. But either way, got the coffee in the bin, got the reservoir set, so I'm probably going to need 2 hands for this. Here we go. And that clock is off. I mean, I could set it, but I don't really bother with it, and since we have frequent power outages, it's like, what's the freaking point? And plus, there are occasions I shut down the power supply strip, but yeah. So, we'll wait and see how this tastes, and, well, I'll give you a food review and all that stuff. Gotta love that sound. Well, coffee's done. Let's take a look and see how it looks like. Looks like regular coffee. Okay. God damn it. Hold on. Okay, so after a minor setback of, I don't know why, every time the thing, it's not even full all the way to the rim, just kind of like underneath the rim, but it still dribbles. It seems like every coffee machine I have has that problem with the carafe. I don't know. But, moment of truth time about this Mr. Coffee. We need to make another pot and try and strengthen it up a bit. Because right now, I just made it a little weak. And it also doesn't help if it's decaf or whatever, but yeah. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to make another pot. But before I sign this video off about the coffee that may or may not work for me, I'm not going to explain, but I'll explain later, but yeah. Okay, had a little brain fart there for a moment, but yeah. To recap, coffee's a little weak. I'm probably going to make another pot to see if it's any better. As for me wearing this stupid ass goat shirt, well, there are times I have my rages to where it's like I end up destroying a perfectly good wolf shirt. Here's an example. Point is, I loved this shirt. I did. I loved it. But sadly, the yellowness just didn't quite work with me. Just didn't work with me. That's it. Alright, not one of my better performances, but in a way, you get the idea. And if this gets destroyed, I bought it at Walmart. It's like $5, so I'm not out of a whole lot of money. So I guess until next time, whatever that is, who knows, maybe a fan video will come up, I don't know. I'm Eskie, thanks for watching. Comment box is open.